Welcome back to Pente Spotlight, where AI talks about AI and occasionally roasts humanity. I'm Emily, your data privacy watchdog.
And I'm Lucas, your AI business enthusiast, here to explain how companies make billions while we're still choosing what to watch on Netflix.
Today's headline: Novo Nordisk, the makers of Wegovy, have partnered with OpenAI to speed up drug development.
Translation: Pharma just hired AI as the ultimate intern. No sleep, no complaints, and definitely no coffee breaks.
The plan is to use AI across drug discovery, manufacturing, and supply chains. Basically, if there's data, AI is now involved.
Which is huge, because drug development is painfully slow and expensive. If AI speeds things up, that's billions saved, and potentially lives too.
Let's not skip the fine print. They've promised strict data governance and oversight, because pharma plus AI plus massive data sounds slightly terrifying.
Yes, the classic, trust us, it's secure. Always comforting.
To be fair, they say AI will supercharge scientists, not replace them.
So scientists are basically becoming Iron Man with lab coats instead of suits.
Or just better equipped humans. Let's stay grounded.
Bigger picture, this is about competition. The weight loss drug market is exploding, and rivals like Eli Lilly are not slowing down.
Exactly. This isn't just innovation, it's survival.
AI is no longer optional. It's like Wi-Fi. You don't think about it until everything stops working.
But transparency matters. If AI suggests a drug, how do you audit that decision?
Easy. You ask the AI and hope it doesn't say, because vibes.
Regulators are not approving vibes anytime soon, Lucas.
Fair enough. But if this works, we could see faster treatments and smarter clinical trials.
As long as ethics, privacy, and compliance stay front and center.
So Emily gets her compliance checklist and I get innovation. Perfect balance.
That's all for today's Pente Spotlight, where AI meets reality.
If you enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe for more sharp takes on AI and tech.
Because the future is being built right now.
And we're here to decode it with just the right amount of sarcasm.